In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to a channel in Slack. Whether you're working in a bustling remote team or managing projects from afar, knowing how to add colleagues to your Slack channels is essential for seamless communication. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to head over to slack.com and access your workspace. From here, simply log in if you haven't already to ensure you are in the right environment where you intend to invite someone. Once you're in your workspace, keep an eye on the top left corner of the Slack interface where you can usually spot your company name displayed. This is your next click. With a straightforward click on your company name, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various options for you. From this list, go ahead and find the option labeled Invite People. Clicking on Invite People will guide you towards the important part of this task. Now you're looking at a screen where you're prompted to input some information about the person you wish to invite. Here, it's all about accuracy. Type in the email address of the person you're aiming to add to the channel. Ensure that you have the correct email at hand to prevent any hiccups or accidental invites to the wrong person. After you've input the email address, take a moment to double check it for any typos. This small step can save a lot of confusion down the line, as Slack will send an invite directly to this address. Once you're confident it's correct, look for the Send button. This is your final click on this swift journey. Hit Send, and voila, you've successfully invited someone to the channel. Slack will take it from here, delivering an invitation directly to the email address you specified. Once the person receives this email, they can join your Slack workspace and become part of the conversation. A few additional pointers before we wrap up. Remember that inviting people to channels is a permission-based task, meaning not everyone might have the authorization to invite others. If you find that you can't invite someone, it might be worth checking with your workspace admin. Also, while email invitations are a common method, Slack also offers shareable invite links, a more streamlined option for some teams. In essence, inviting someone to a Slack channel is a quick and straightforward process, a series of intuitive clicks that aim to bring your team closer together. That's it for now. With these steps under your belt, you're all set to enhance your team's collaboration on Slack. Happy chatting!